Hola, my name is Ricardo X Serment. I'm an artist and educator from Chicago, Illinois, currently living and working in Pilsen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a family-friendly calavera out of paper mache. Dia de los Muertos is a celebration traditionally from Mexico and other parts of Latin America that now has crossed over to the United States. It's a celebration in which we remember our past loved ones by creating an ofrenda, placing their picture, and some other of their favorite items on the ofrenda. So this paper mache calavera can be an addition to your ofrenda. Let me show you the materials you're going to need to complete this project. The materials you're going to need are strips of cut out copy paper, paper mache paste, masking tape, a Sharpie, some markers, a foam cup, and some recycled paper. Some optional materials you can use: aluminum foil, a hot glue gun, paintbrushes, and some paint. So these are a few examples of the paper mache calaveras. You can decorate them however you like, or you can honor and remember anybody you would like. Let's get started. First thing you're going to need is your foam cup, your masking tape, and some recycled paper. We're going to crumple up the paper in order to make a good size ball that will represent our head. Okay? Once you have a good size ball that will represent your head, you're going to go ahead and get the masking tape and tape around it to secure it. Once you secure your paper ball for your head, we're going to go ahead and now use the masking tape to secure it onto our foam cup to create our armature. Now that our paper ball is secured to our foam cup for our armature, we are now going to use the paper mache paste and the strips of copy paper that we've cut out. When using the paper mache, make sure that you coat both sides of your paper before adhering it onto your armature. So let me demonstrate. Once it's completely covered in paper mache paste, go ahead and adhere it to your armature. I recommend going in one direction first, so I'm going to go from bottom to top or vertically. Make sure you're also gluing it on securely into all the little crevices. The next one, make sure that you overlap the previous one and then secure it. Once you're done securing it vertically or up and down, next you're going to go side to side or horizontally. Once you're done securing the strips of paper, you can go ahead and just make sure that everything is kind of flattened down before you set it out to dry. You can go ahead and let it dry. It should take about 24 hours for it to dry and to harden. Once your armature is dry, now we can start to decorate it. And again, I'm just going to show you a simple way to do it with Sharpies and markers. But again, you can also use paint if you prefer. And there you have it. A family-friendly calavera made out of paper mache. Again, you can take this activity and add pieces of aluminum foil to make accessories. Okay, you can also use the hot glue gun to glue in any pieces that you might want to add on to your calavera. Great job. Thank you for stopping by to see how to create a papier-mâché calavera for your Dia de los Muertos ofrenda. I hope you enjoy this activity and I hope you create it with your family. Have a good one. Be safe.